A bustier is, so a bustier, typical bustier starts from your upper bust to your waist.
Okay.
All right, it can extend down to your midriff, that's your lower abdomen area. Yes, but then it starts from your upper bust. So we drafted with this mentality in mind. If it was a bodice, that's why I start by teaching you guys a bodice before we get here. If it was a bodice, you would have your shoulder, all right? Then you have your bust point, then you have your under bust, then you have your waist, all right? So if a bustier starts at your upper bust, and let's say your shoulder to waist is 15 or 16, all right? So from your upper bust from your shoulder to your upper bust, standardly, if you don't want to show any cleavage, 5 inches works. 5 inches. So you would always start off on the 5 inch, not on your 1 inch. Do you understand? So this is my borderline. I'm gonna start from 5 inches. That's where I'm going to start marking everything from. My bust point. And this one, you need what? Bust point. You need waist. And then the length. All right. So let's use a bust point of 10. Then a waist of 29. Then the length, let's make it 12. The length of the bustier 12. So these are the measurements that we'll be using. Then the rest is just the dot points that you use. And that one, it depends on the bust. So yeah, bust, manfa bust. Let's do a bust of what? 38. So yeah, we are going. So now, I'm gonna start off with my bust point. Then my shoulder to waist. All right. My shoulder to waist is what? 16. I'm now coming to see if that's my 12 inches. Good. I didn't even know this, but so it's 11.5. All right. So if you're starting from the 15, you can just the 5. You can still maintain your shoulder to waist as the length from the 5 to where your shoulder to waist is as your bustier length. Yes. So from there, let's square across. All right.
Mr. Please indicate the point.
So bust point, shoulder to waist. Then how do we find our under bust?
You come up by 1. Under bust.
Yes. How do we locate our under bust?
You come up by 1 inch. And that one is for the armhole.
So 3.5. That's our what?
Under bust. Mr. Please answer the question for my other colleagues.
Hey, Eunice. So you divide the distance between your bust point and your shoulder to waist by 2. Not your. But technically, if you do it 3.5, it works. I mean, I can use 3.5 or 3.5 and cut that. It will work. Yeah. So that's that. Now we're going to plot our dart. We would use a dart point of 4.
Why 4 today?
We are just this measurement. I don't even know whose measurement they are here. So I'm just using 4. But if it was a bust 40, bust the emphasis would be a bust 39 and a 38.5, 39, 40. I would use a dot point of 4 or 4 and 1/4. Yeah. So I'm using 4 here. So, let me do that. So I like to tilt my dart on my bustiers.
Okay.
So instead of the 4,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do it 5.5. So sometimes I can even do the 4 like this. Then I still come and add 1.5 here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna join this to that, this. Right. So now gonna split the dart. I'm doing it with 1/2 and 1/4 for the waist.
Okay.
No, I have to start plotting from here, the underbust.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, for our center front, I'll come 1/2 and 1/4. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But for this place, so let me do it 1 and 1/4. Please, the curve was here, right? I don't even like using this curve. So yeah, 1 and 1/4, 1/2 and 1/4. Okay, then I'll transfer the dots down.
Hey. Why?
It's the same thing because I'm going to repeat this measurement for this place.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought I was doing sure that that's what I need to do there. Yes, so that's it for here. Then this part, I like to come here to 1/2 and 1/4. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then here 1 and 1/4. Yep.
Okay.
Now let me go up by my 1 inch. Your, let's say the bust, you're using a bust of 38. I'm going to divide the bust by 4. So we have what? 9.5. And then I'll add um,
1 inch allowance.
I'm just adding half here.
Mm.
The other half, I'll add it to the main allowance. So here, This is here. Then I still use my 6 curve. I keep telling you guys this is my curve there. It's a savior. Now I'm going to join this armhole to the middle of the dart. So right. Then the waist divided by, let me say the waist is 28. I don't count the math. 28. That will give me 7. Eh? 7 plus what?
Half.
2 inches. The
Ah,
dart width.
yeah.
7 plus 2 inches becomes what?
Nine.
9. Then plus the allowance.
Half inch allowance.
Yes. 7 plus 2 is what?
Nine.
9. Plus the, then the waist too is what?
38. Hey, 28.
Yes, 20. So you can
Hey,
see
Miss
the,
Ella, please hold on.